Question number 11 is the last question from the second passage of this paper. Which of the following is an assumption made by Kidron when she suggests investment in cyber trained police personnel? Now, this one is mentioned in the last paragraph. Baroness Beeban Kidron, English film director, said that in the course of making a documentary on teenagers and their online experiences, she noticed how exposure to extreme and violent images or videos online change children's experience of childhood forever. She urged governments signing on to the 2030 Development Goals Agreement to also invest in cyber trained police personnel who can provide support mechanisms for those facing violence online. Now, then there is a fact which is given with 49% of women interviewed for the report stating that the police did nothing when complaints of cyber violence were lodged with them. Now, here there can be two interpretations of this. Number one, this police personnel that probably didn't have the right training, or they did it deliberately. Okay, now what was the assumption behind her statement that the government needs to invest in cyber trained police officers or personnel? Now, if I look at option A, the police do not have proper protocols. This is a bit misleading because the police may have proper protocols, but these people are not aware of it or they haven't been trained. So, this option cannot be the right assumption. The police will be able to help the complaints of cyber violence once they receive proper cyber training. Now, this one makes it the best option. Reason is, if they will be able to help, that's the only reason why she will talk about it, because she wants these victims of cyber abuse to be helped. Hence, for question number 11, B is the best answer. Police do not take the complaints of cyber violence seriously. We can't take it as an assumption, because if they do not take it seriously, then also they can at least lodge a complaint. Nowhere it is mentioned that they are doing it deliberately, or the intention is not mentioned, so this cannot be an assumption. Another way of looking at an assumption question is negate option C. It doesn't really make any difference to the assumption made by Ketron or her conclusion. The governments don't believe in the need for investment in cyber trained personnel. This is also irrelevant, and we can eliminate both these options for the same reason. So answer to this question is option B.